I'm so scared. What in the world? To be honest, it's incredible, but I don't think it's ready for me yet. And here's why. I've tried other devices like the Oculus and the Meta Quest. Those are kind of like around the range of like $400 and $500 compared to this, which is almost $4,000. All I can say, it's definitely overpriced. First things first, this device is incredibly expensive. It's not for the middle income earners. It's almost $4,000, which is very crazy for what it can do, at least compared to like other competitors in the industry. Like even Mark Zuckerberg himself said it.
All right, guys. So I finally tried Apple's Vision Pro. Before this, I expected that Quest would be the better value for most people since it's really good and it's like 7 times less expensive. But after using it, I don't just think that Quest is the better value. I think that Quest is the better product, period.
And I kind of believe him. I mean, compared to the price tag and compared to what the Meta Quest offers in terms of software, in terms of games, in terms of like just the community that it already has, I think it beats the Apple Vision Pro in that sense. The Apple Vision Pro has the ecosystem of Apple. You can FaceTime, you can, use all the apps that Apple already has on here. But the thing is, like, I'd rather use my phone for those things than use this. The things I like to do on my iPhone, I'd rather do it on my iPhone than do it on this. What I don't like about this device is the fact that you always have to attach this battery to actually use it. So if you're wearing this while traveling, which I did like a couple of days ago, you have to attach this battery to this and kind of carry that everywhere, because like this is already bulky by itself. Then if I have to attach this battery to move around with this, it makes it less practical to use. Why am I paying $4,000 for something that I'm not gonna get the value out of? I got this a couple of weeks ago and I've only used it like 3 or 4 times. I was like, if I'm not getting the value out of this, then there may be no point keeping it because it's just so expensive. I've seen some other like futuristic glasses, like the X-Ray glasses, that's light and portable. So I think I'll be ready to buy these when they are a lot lighter. Like if I can wear it every day, if I can wear it to travel, and it's a lot smaller, it's a lot more discreet, then it makes more sense. The design is cool, but people look at you weird when you're wearing this in public. So it kind of makes you less present. I don't like the fact that it kind of like isolates you when you're with a group of people. And me as a people person, I would like something that does not like make me feel so isolated from the group. If you're wearing this, someone might not know if you are available for a conversation or not. I wore this for a 5-hour flight, and after about 2 hours on the plane, I began to feel like nauseous. I started to like have a little headache. It's just not convenient to wear for a very long time. Although I really enjoyed watching movies on this, I think this was my favorite thing. They're like these immersive movies that make you feel like you are actually in the movie. Another thing is the fact that I don't think there's enough software for this as well. So in terms of like movies to watch, there are some movies that you can only watch on these, and those movies, and let me tell you, they are phenomenal. They are mind-blowing. They are crazy. It makes you feel like you've been teleported to a whole different dimension. But I don't think there are enough of those movies. I don't think there's enough of the software or the apps yet. I would like to get this again, a different version of this, when there's just like more to watch, when there's more to see, more games to play and stuff like that. Right now, I think this is like a pre-model, like just to show the public what is actually possible. This is an incredible device. This is not meant in any way to bash, it. Just like my honest opinion as to like why I'm not keeping this device. The first time I tried this, I was like, wow, I might actually keep this. But after like using it for a week, trying it out for a long time, then I was like, nah, I don't think I'm gonna invest this much because it's not ready for me yet. It's still under development, and with time, it might be ready for me. But Just not now. Just not now. Don't let me stop you. It's still great. If you want to get it, go ahead. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.